Hi everyone. So this is my search project. You can see here I implemented the main page, the main search bar, as well as added two links to the other search pages, so the image search, which navigates just to the image search bar. And if I go back and hit the other link, this is the more advanced search bar. So in the main search bar, I implemented two buttons. You can see here the search and then the I am feeling lucky. So if I select cake recipe here and hit search, you can see it takes me to Google search and it searches on cake recipe. You can see here that I used mimic the Google search bar. So you have rounded corners for the text input, as well as the blue buttons for the button to click the button searches to initiate the search. The search bar is centered as required. And if I go to the image search now, and I click search on cake recipes, and I hit the image search button, it will take me to Google search where it searches on or shows various cake images. Now if I go back to the main search bar, so I hit the back button to main search, and I click on advanced search, you can see here the 4 parameters that were required. So all these words search input, these exact words and phrases, any of these words, and none of these words parameters. So here, if I hit, cake recipe and cartoon shape, and for these exact words or these words, any of these words, sorry, we hit raisins. And for none of these words, we hit nuts, and then we hit the advanced search button. It will take us to Google search, searching on the criteria I specified, and you can see also in the URL the parameters are properly entered. Now if I go back to the main search, oh, and one more thing for the advanced search, you can see they're properly stacked on top of each other, just like mimicking the Google's advanced search layout as well. If I go back now to the main search, I did implement the I am feeling lucky button. So if we test that out, cake recipe, and I say I am feeling lucky, it does take me to a redirect. Click the link, and you can see here it applies. It takes us to the first result in the search, which is takes us to the all recipes website. Now, if I go back to the main search, as part of the last criteria, it's just kind of using the proper aesthetics to kind of give a Google look and feel, Google search look and feel. I use basically Bootstrap here to try to achieve that versus writing my own CSS, and I believe this kind of fits the bill here. So that's it. That's my search project.